If you're experiencing issues with payments not going through on Webull, follow these simple steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Step 1. Check your payment method. Ensure that the payment method you are using is valid and has sufficient funds. Verify that your bank account or card details are entered correctly in the app. Step 2. Update the app. Make sure you have the latest version of the Webull app installed. Go to your device's App Store, check for updates, and install any available updates to ensure optimal performance. Step 3. Verify account status. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the xrock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Clear cache and data. If the app is still not processing payments, try clearing the cache and data. Go to your device settings, find the Webull app, and select the option to clear cache and data. Restart the app afterward. Step 5. Contact customer support. If none of the previous steps resolve the issue, reach out to Webull's customer support. Provide them with details about the problem, and they can assist you in troubleshooting further. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve payment issues on Webull effectively. If problems persist, staying in touch with customer support will ensure you receive the help you need.